I'm an American living and traveling abroad in Europe, and I'm currently in Vienna, Austria at St. Stephen's Cathedral. Look at this thing. This is amazing. This is so crazy. Now, are we really supposed to believe that they built this thing without power tools or electricity? Did it have electricity? I mean, did they build this with a hammer and a chisel? This is crazy. I really want to know. I want to know how they did it. And also, St. Stephen, I don't know who St. Stephen's is, but he's got a lot of cathedrals all around Europe. He's kind of like a big deal. If somebody knows who he is, tell us, because they have dedicated a lot of cool things to him. Like, this is wow. Look at the detail. Are you kidding? Look at the detail. Hammer, chisel, chisel, hammer. Look at that guy. What?